Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And I told you I would be back. And today, guys, we got this puppy right here. This is the CMF by Nothing Headphone Pro. I like the name. Very simple. Not like the Sony. The Sony used about 1,800 letters and numbers and then give you a product name, if the product name sounds good. But these are just the Headphone Pro. CMF by Nothing. Hey, these normally go for $99.99, but you can get them on sale right now, depending on when you see this video, for $69.99. Okay, guys. Now, I got the green one. Teal, green ones. They have the white ones, but the black ones are going for like $93. I don't know why the black ones are going for $93, but the white ones and the green ones are going for $69.99. All right, guys. So let's go ahead, give you some of the details real quick. CMF by Nothing Headphone Pro Active Noise Cancellation, wireless headphone, Bluetooth 5.4 over the ear headset. You have 50 hours with ANC on. And I'm guessing that's with the LDAC too, but probably less than 50 hours. Bass, treble, slider, custom EQ, spatial audio, high-res LDAC, and these are the light green colors. You can connect up to two devices at the same time. Also, it says that you can also take meetings and calls with this. It has a very good microphone, built-in microphone for that as well. And that is called, if I'm not mistaken, it's called the 3 HD Enhanced ENC microphone. Keep your voice sharp in every meeting or call. All right, guys. So that's about everything you need to know right now with all the detail. So without further ado, guys, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, welcome to the Eagle Eye View, guys. This is how the box look and everything. And there's not, I don't really need an unboxing knife with this. I don't think I do. So we're just gonna go ahead and here. All right, we do have, okay, nice little booklet. I'm trying to keep e-waste down. So we got this. This is how it looks, guys. We'll get to that. Put that right here. What we have in here. Let's see what they gave us. All righty then. Now, okay, I like this. They gave us a little bag to put them in. So that's pretty good. Little bag to put it in. Nice little cloth. I don't know, might be velvet. And we have the 35mm headphone jacks. And that's it. No, okay, they didn't give us no wiring in here at all. All right, I mean, for almost $100, guys, you should have did that. All right, we're going to put this aside and go ahead and look at this. Okay, so I'm going to take these off here. Well, as you can see, it tells you volume and everything on here. So this is how it looks on this side. That's a speaker. I mean, that's a microphone. Okay. Okay, and that's your charging. That's on the right side. And on the left side, you have your, on the left side, it has it up here. I'm sorry, guys. You have your bass, treble, power, and you have your, I think that's your aux. Okay, so you have your aux, you have your power on and off, you have your slider. This is your up and down. So that's pretty decent, guys. And you got a microphone right here. You have a microphone right here. So you have two microphones right here, and you have another microphone on the right. So that's pretty decent. So that's how it looks, guys. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how it looks compared to the JLab Lux, so you can kind of see how big they really are. All right, alrighty then. So as you can see, these are more rounder than the Lux. The Lux are more, I guess, tear shape, more oval than round. As you can see, they're pretty much the same as far as these are a little bit heavier than the Lux. Yeah, here, pretty good there, guys. That's pretty good. So nice and flexible. That's how it looks, guys, compared to something else. I'll just go ahead and get up charging it up. Okay, guys, it doesn't come with no wires. So for $69, for $100 to put some wire in here, I'm not gonna lie. See how it look when it charges up. Okay, there you go. The red light does come on. That's how it looks charging up. I'll take this off. This is fast charging. See, yep. So there it goes, guys. You can fast charge it. That's how it looks charging it up. Let's see how much it weighs comparatively. These are the Lux right here. And you can see the Lux are 236 grams. Okay, so let's see how much they weigh compared to the Lux. You're looking at 282 grams. So these are a little bit heavier. Okay. All right, guys, before we hook these up, show you what the buttons are for. This is your multi-purpose button right here. This is your scroll wheel up and down for your volume control. Tap one, play, tap again, stop, double tap, forward, triple tap backwards. Okay. This is for your assistant, your virtual assistant. This be, Alexa, whatever you use on your phone. Know what that's for, to charge it. This also is for your bass. This is for your on and off. Okay, guys. The one thing I don't like about this button so far is that this button, you have to hold it to turn on your active noise cancellation. Stop it, and you can hear it. The way it chime. It'll have a little, dink or a little chime that you can hear. I don't like that because it don't say noise cancellation on or off. So just be careful that if you're not using the app. All right, what we're gonna do? Go ahead and turn it on. You should hold it for a couple of seconds until that blink. As you can see, go hit new device. And you see the CMF right here. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna say pair. You hit pair, and there you go. It's paired up. So then what we're gonna do from there is go to the app, and we're gonna see if we can go ahead and there we go. We're gonna hit save. And we're just gonna hit done for right now. I don't know why it's still scanning. It says it's already. So let's go. This got scanning. So there you go. I don't know why I did scanning. And it gives you the setup. Okay, how to set it up. But you can go through the tutorial, but this is how the app looks. Nothing's app has always been clean, guys. So you have your noise cancellation, you have your spatial audio right there. You also have other personal things that you have also. And then you can go ahead and I think you can hit device settings. I forgot which one it is for firmware update. You can hit this to see if there's any firmware update. This is up to date. All right, guys. So that's basically it. And I do like their app. The app is nice and clean, and you can go ahead and see how clean it is, guys. And then you have low latency mode as well. You have your equalizer mode, personal sound profile off. So you have a lot of things. Dual connection is off by default. You can turn it on. So there's a lot of things that you can do with the app. All right, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get to listen to some music. And then after that, give you my final thoughts and giving a CMF Nothing Headphone Pros a grade. Yo, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, outside in my car, about to do the, see how the active noise cancellation is on the CMF by Nothing Headphones Pro. All right, so this is how it sounds. I don't have no mic on. I'm just using this straight out of the Ace 360 Ace Pro. Let me get it right. Insta360 Ace Pro, okay, guys? Because I want you to hear how it sounds outside. So right now in the car, this is how it sounds. So I'm gonna roll down the window so you hear all the sounds that we're gonna see. And how does this do as far as blocking it out? All right. So that's how it sounds. You got the traffic coming through. So hopefully you can hear it. All right, hopefully you can hear it. Let's go ahead and turn on the active noise cancellation and see how much noise we can actually not hear. All right, okay, now I have the noise cancellation off, and pretty much it's kind of keeping the noise out just as is. But let's go ahead and turn on noise cancellation. I can still hear some things. I can still hear some of the cars coming in and out, but pretty much it's pretty good. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Lux by JLab Lux and see how it does compare to that. As you see, I got the JLab Lux. Let's see how they do active noise against the CMF Nothing Headphone Pro. So I have them on nice and tight, good. Now I can still hear a lot of, you know, road noise and everything without the ANC on. So the CMFs have a better kind of noise blocking with just the way the headphones are made. So that's even before you turn on the NFC. So let's go ahead and turn on the active noise cancel, ANC. So noise canceling on. I can still hear the road. I can still hear some of the stuff going on, just like this CMF by Nothing. So I say they're about the same. So you're going to get about the same noise cancellation with the CMF and the Lux. So CMFs are pretty good. I'll give you a grade, you know, at the end of the video. All right, guys. Let you know the CMF by Nothing, you know, noise cancellation is pretty good. All right. So let's go ahead and run this through the rest of this pace. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and listen to some music. Sorry, I got my fan on. Hopefully, you don't hear it, and if you do, I'm sorry, but it's really, really hot in here. All right, so we're gonna put this on, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna test out the controls to make sure they do what they're supposed to do. So if you hit the wheel, which will be on the right ear, hit it one time, it plays it. You hit it another time, it stops it. If you double press it, it goes forward. If you triple press it, 1, 2, 3, it goes backwards. So that does work. If you hold it down, it'll turn on the active noise cancellation. If you hold it down again, it'll turn on the ambient sound. And if you hit it one more time, you have to hit and hold, it turns off the noise active cancellation. The active noise cancellation, sorry guys. Now, let's go ahead and start listening to some music. Again, I'm not gonna be too long because I know I don't want to make this section long. And the bass thing does work. If you slide it up on this side, it does give you a little bit more bass. So if you enter that, you'd be fine. All right, the first song, it does sound really good, guys. It does sound really good. Let me find one more song that we can listen to real quick. All right, guys, the music does sound really good. A little bass heavy, but you can change that within the app. I would suggest you use the app, guys. Sometimes what I do, I'll put it on for Nothing. It sounds better on classical. I know, but it sounds better on classical because most times when you listen to, these are the second pair of Nothing, even in earbuds, it's a little bass heavy. But when you put it on classic, kind of turns down the bass a little bit and bumps up the voice and the treble. It sounds pretty good to me. I like it and I don't like everything bass heavy. It sounds pretty good, guys, so we're going to get back to the regular view so we can finish this unboxing review out. Yo, I'm back to give the CMF by Nothing my final thoughts and giving it a grade, or a grade and my final thoughts. Whatever order you want to put them in. Let's get right to it. Design and finish, I give it 4. I think they look pretty decent. A little different design than some of the ones I have, but it's pretty decent. It fits my ear, go over the ears all the way, and this also becomes a real good, it does isolate the sounds out even before you turn on the active noise cancellation. So I do like that. And it's comfortable. You see, they don't come off. So, but they do get sweaty. I'm gonna tell you, you have them on a lot, and you're running, you do get some sweat. Okay, so I give the design and finish a 4. I give the fit a 4.5. I do like the way they feel. I do like this is really soft, and look, it's comfortable. It's not really tight to where it's making your eyes bulge out, but the fit is comfortable. I'm gonna give it 4.5. The music, I'm gonna give it a 4. Like I said, if you don't download the app and put the app, it's gonna be a little bass heavy. A lot of people like it that way. Some people don't. So what I would suggest you do, please download the app and put it on classical, or put it on something that's less bass heavy. And I think you'll be just fine. So I give the music a 4. I give the active noise cancellation, I give it a 4. It's never until I get my hands on the Sonys, the ones that have some of the best active noise cancellation in the business. From what I hear, those are like A+, A+, A+. But the noise cancellation on these are good. I give them a B, not a high B, but I do give them a B. The app, I give a 5. Clean, nice, easy to follow. I give a 5. Now the price, I gave a 4. I didn't give a 5 because I think at $100, I think they're worth it. But I think the right price for these are even at $69.99 or even like $75. That would be the better price for these for me. Like I said, when I looked at the black ones were like $93, and these were on sale for $69, and the white ones are on sale for $69. So I think at $69, $59, or even $70 in that range is a perfect price for that. That would have got it at a 5. But price, I give it a 4. Is it worth $100? I say it is worth $100. But I think it's right in that range, that budget range, as the JLab Lux, which is a very good set, and these are just as good as them as those are. Okay, guys, so altogether is a 4.25, which is a high B. So I give the CMF by Nothing Headphones Pro, I give it a 4.5, which is probably a B+. Okay, guys. Hey, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. Yet again, guys, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, coming back at you. Thanking you. I said come back at you. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing. Guys, I got more coming. I got a surprise, but I got more coming. Hey, do me a favor, hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. All right, guys, you have a good day. Peace.